In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your data out of Zoho Books with this full 2025 guide. Whether you're moving your data to a new platform or just ensuring you have a comprehensive backup, this process is straightforward and essential for anyone using Zoho Books. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together. To start, you'll want to navigate to the Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main landing page where you typically keep track of all your accounting activities. Take a moment to familiarize yourself if you're not already comfortable with this section. Once you're on the dashboard, your next move will be to locate and click on the highlight feature. This option is likely positioned prominently on your screen, making it fairly easy to find. Clicking here will set you on the path to accessing the deeper settings within Zoho Books. Now, you're ready to open the settings menu. In the settings, look for the option labeled Developer and Data. Clicking on this will take you to a section specifically designed for handling more technical aspects and data management of your account. Here lies the core of where you'll manage all export activities. Scrolling down slightly, you'll see an option labeled Data Administration. This is where the magic happens for all your data handling needs within Zoho Books. By clicking on Data Administration, you'll open up a new set of possibilities regarding data backups and exports. The next step involves locating a link or button titled Backup Organizational Data. This area is crucial because it is precisely where you will initiate the process of exporting your data. Make sure you're fully prepared before proceeding, perhaps double-checking that the data you're about to back up is current and ready for exporting. After clicking on Backup Organizational Data, you'll land on a page with an option called Backup Your Data. This step is very straightforward. Upon clicking the Backup Your Data button, Zoho Books will begin the process of compiling your data into a downloadable package. This is the moment where you allow Zoho Books to work its magic. Be patient, as gathering all your organizational data can take a little time depending on the amount of information you've stored within the platform. Once the backup is ready, it will be available for download. It's a good practice to save this backup in a secure location such as an external drive or a cloud storage service to ensure you have access to it when needed. And there you have it. A fully backed up copy of your Zoho Books data now exists outside of the online ecosystem. Remember, keeping regular backups is a smart habit for maintaining good data hygiene and safeguarding your financial records. In case of any need, you'll always have this data handy for recovery or migration to other platforms. That's it for today's guide. I hope you found it useful and that your data exports from Zoho Books go smoothly. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.